like them. Jamming on the beat. Sells me out and then like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Glad to have you. And I'm crooked. Sorry. Sorry I didn't get Monday's video out. But I mowed the grass and I had like 12,000 steps in when I had been at 8. So my back was hurting really bad. So I'm taking a couple rest days and getting back at it because I got them. I swear to God, it looks like I missed half of it. But anyhow, today I'm with my Ipsy Glam bag. And if you're not familiar with Ipsy, they have you take a beauty quiz before you ever start. They have Ipsy Glam bag, which you get a beauty bag every time, and you get, I believe it's 5 samples, but sometimes you get full size in them. And out of those, you get to pick one. That costs $14 a month, plus I think it's $1.99 shipping. However, if you pay long term, you get more off. They also have BoxyCharm, and that's full size items. I believe you get 5, and you get to pick 3, and that's $30. And then, and then seasonally, they have what they call Icon Box. And as long as you're a member, you can sign up to get the Icon Box instead of your regular box. Excuse me, my lips are sticking to my mouth. But anyway, so today I have the Ipsy Glam bag. And, well, then it comes with this little card in it. And it tells you all your items. And this is this month's bag. And it's cute. It's got a little peach here, if you can see it. It's got the little peach. It's a little peach. I don't know. See, it's got a little slice here, and it's kind of cute. I usually save these, put these up for the girls. They can always find something to do with it. But I buy a lot of them off of Temu too. So let's take all the contents out of the bag so we can see the inside of the bag. And let's do it this way. The inside is, it's lined, and it is this little peach color. And these are always really way, and it's got an Ipsy tag on it. And some people do actually collect these. And I've seen them for sale on eBay even, so. But I've got a stray curl, if you can't tell, it's driving me nuts. But yeah, some people collect these. I've seen them for sale on eBay, and I just give mine away. There's usually whichever girl first comes and says, "Dips, dips," and that's who gets it. Because they're all spoiled. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is, okay, this is, what brand is it? Oh, it's BYROE, BYROE. That's what that looks like. That's the back, that's the ingredients. This is what it looks like. And this is a toner, and I'm allergic to mineral spirits, so I deliberately picked this because it doesn't have any mineral spirits in it. And so I thought, if I can use this, my granddaughter, who's also allergic to mineral spirits, may be able to use them. So that's why I got that for. And I didn't smell anything. But basically all the toner does is get your skin ready to accept your makeup and stuff. So that's what that's for. And then, now I will tell you this. From what I have picked up from different influencers, if you want a more makeup heavy box, make your age about 25. 20, 25, round in there. And if you want more skincare, then you make it like 40-ish, you know, because that's your main concern when you get old, they say. So anyway, I just thought I would share that tip with you. Let me set this down before I drop something. Okay, this is SONÄGE, and it's Collagen Boosting Serum, which looks like this. And then, of course, it's one of these kind of lids. And I just stick it on the back of my hand here. It'll take me a minute to pump it up. Oh no, didn't take that long. And that's what it looks like. And then you just look at them liver spots. And that you just rub it in. And it smells like something. It smells like something from my youth, but I can't remember what it is. Yeah, it reminds me of something from when I was a kid, but I can't remember what it is. Let's see what's next on here. Okay, next would be this. And I will put the links to the items, the cost, all that down below in the description. And I'll put the price on the screen. And I usually put how much the value is, and then I'll put the value for the whole bag. And I do that, you know, through dividing. But this is, let's pray what it is. Let's see, this is Big Ego mascara, and it's by Tarte. So there's that. I don't know that I like that gold on those doesn't that look like you got filth behind your fingernails? I don't think I like that. It's really gold sparkles, but it looks to me like I've been digging in an engine somewhere. I don't think I like that. And it has this kind of bristle. Let's just see. I hate it when I do this because I know I can't see and I end up getting it everywhere. And then I shut off the... You can tell the difference in one from the other. I had quite a bit on anyway, so... But I am looking for a new mascara because I'm out of the old one and I didn't really like it anyway. So, that's that. And I didn't see it being waterproof, so I don't think it is. Okay, and then the next thing is Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner by Marc Jacobs. And I always retain all the leave-in conditioner because that's all I do. I wash, condition, get out, and I brush it. Put some leave-in conditioner in it, and it's called done. And I can't get it open. Why do they do this stuff to me? Why do they do? You know, I think sometimes they just sit up at night and think, Deb, how can we screw with you today? And that's okay, because I'm secretly thinking, hey, you're thinking of me, aren't you? I've been hitting a lot of ball fields, too, here recently. The weather's starting to straighten out, and they're actually having their games. But now they have the schedule so screwed up from where they missed so many games. They're basically playing every day now. So I'm trying to get what I can when I can done here. And this is just what. And I'll just spray it so you can see the spray. It's a very fine mist. So it won't weigh your hair down. That smells really good. That smells really good. But my hands still look dirty. And I know they're not. Okay. Then the last thing is Ace Beauty, or BEAUTÉ, however you want to say it. Blush Up Liquid Blush by Pastel Permission. And it would look like this. Let's see. Let's do it at the other end. Okay, we'll just tear it off there. We don't care. Maybe. Knifey, knifey, knifey. Oh my God. I was watching on YouTube. Inappropriate things medical professionals have said to you from Reddit. Someone was having her ID removed and the doctor couldn't find the strings right away. And he's going, here, kitty, kitty, kitty. I'm like, oh my God, I'd die. I said, you might as well let me up off this table because we ain't gonna finish this today. Yep. Although I've had one doctor that was very inappropriate with me. And he was always inappropriate with me. Even his nurses are like, he's not like that with anybody else. Just you, Deb. So all I can figure is he must like big girls. But this is what this looks like. It comes like this. Here, let me reiterate this. I got a little sidetracked. So this is what it looks like. Then we go. And it's like that. Now, as you brush it out, it turns into a very pretty color. But it's, you know, it's a light, it can be a light color or a dark color, I guess, depending on how much you rub it in and rub it out. But I like it, but liquid blushes used to be hard for me in high school because, you know, the pimple thing, you know, where you got the scarring. That smells good too. So it used to be really hard for me because it would like get in those pits. But as I got older, you know, of course they kind of went away, but we used to use lipstick for the same thing. Put it on our lips and our cheeks, and it was all one. Now they think that's a big new thing, so. But anyway, that's my Ipsy bag for, is this April? April 2024. I'll leave a link down below if you'd like to get that bag. Come on back, join us. We do all kinds of unboxings. We do FabFitFun. We do bins hauls. We do Temu hauls. Although our bins is now not worth a crap because all of the people that work there are taking all the they're cherry picking. But mystery boxes, unclaimed mail, you know, you name it, I do it. And I do it for fun. So we have a good time while we're doing it. So come on back. Join us. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Bye.